This is how to undo in Gamma AI. From your presentation, say for instance, we want to remove this image. And if you want to undo it, from your keyboard, just press Ctrl Z. Or from your MacBook, just press Command Z. If you want to undo a removed slide, say for instance, we will remove this. And you can see here undo. So just click it to restore the deleted slide. You can also undo through version history. So to do that, go to this three dots right here. Then go to version history and you can select a version you want to restore. So for instance, this one. Then just click restore. So this is how to undo in Gamma AI.